Thinking of YouTube fame but allergic to cameras? Here's how to let AI do the heavy lifting, while you stay behind the scenes. Step 1. Pick your niche. Go for something popular, easy to research, and perfect for faceless videos. Think fun facts, self-improvement, or trending news. Stuck for ideas? Fire up ChatGPT, ask it for video topics, catchy titles, even a channel name. Step 2. Scripting. Let AI like ChatGPT write your first draft, but always tweak it yourself. A little human touch goes a long way. Next, visuals. Generate eye-catching images with Midjourney or build full video scenes using AI tools like InVideo AI. Don't want to record your voice? Use a tool like 11 Labs for a pro-sounding AI narration. Now edit it all together in CapCut or another AI-powered editor. Add subtitles, copyright-free music, and a scroll-stopping thumbnail. Canva's AI can help with that. Finally, upload, optimize your title and tags with VidaQ and get ready to hit publish. Pro tip: quality beats quantity. Add your own twist and double-check YouTube's policies on AI content. Ready to go faceless and fearless? Hit that subscribe for more smart creator hacks.